The Ruger 5.7 unboxing video. It's always good to have a new pistol, a new gun. It's even better when it's one that's featured in magazine. Definitely not the latest new gun. It's been out there for almost a year now, actually at least a year. This is the Ruger 5.7 latest edition. Finally decided to get one, and we're gonna have a quick unboxing video. If you like today's content, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and spread the love. Thanks for watching. Alright, before we talk about the pistol, we cannot talk about a Ruger 5.7 without talking about FN 5.7. The 5.7x28 caliber was released by FN, designed by FN in the 1990s to be used on the FN 90 PDW, personal defense weapon. And it's not the first time a manufacturer creates their own cartridge for the firearm. Browning did that, and the 45 caliber was developing the same approach. But anyway, on the 5.7x28, the only firearm that was predominantly used for was the FN 90 PDW. And then back in 1998, FN released the FN 5.11 pistol, which was a pistol handgun based, chambered in this caliber. So it took about 20 years for another major manufacturer to provide an alternative to the FN products, and that's what Ruger did back in December 2019 when they released the Ruger 5.7 pistol. So finally decided to get one, and I just wanted to kind of share with you real quick the unboxing of this. The Ruger 5.7, in the box you got your manual, of course, stickers, brochure, NFA advertisement, ATF paperwork, safety policy, some receipts, 2 magazines. He has a 5.7 magazine here. The magazine take 20 rounds of 5.7x28. Of course, you get the mandatory safety lock for handgun safety, and you get the pistol. So here's the second magazine. So 20 rounds of 5.7x28 cartridge. Of course, the Ruger is a semi-automatic handgun with a 4.94 inch barrel. So it's got almost a 5-inch barrel, which helps with the accuracy and the shootability, the stability of the gun. It feels pretty light. I think it weighs about 24.5 ounces. One of the number one thing I noticed when I first grabbed the gun was how wide the grip is. Of course, it's based on the size of the cartridge and the size of the magazine. But it feels, after a while you get used to it, it feels good in hand. I have not shot this particular one, but in the past I shot a FN 5.7 pistol. I like the serration on the front and rear. Of course, it's got a boarded slide, which should be a little lighter on the slide, allowing for a lighter slide. Polymer frame, oxy-coated alloy steel slide, so it's a steel slide. Adjustable sight, fiber optic in the front, rear adjustable for window elevation, and you have some screws that allow you to mount a red dot system on the slide if you choose to. The trigger is rated at 5.5 pounds of pull. I have not measured it. Again, this is brand new. I haven't shot it yet. But it's got a manual safety right here, a safety lever, which is ambidextrous, which I like. But that's the only ambidextrous feature on the gun. Yeah, Ruger 5.7. pistol, 5.7 by 28. I had the pistol for a couple of weeks now or so, but I just found ammunition yesterday. So luckily they just came on stock at a local Academy store. But again, even before the quarantine, the 5.7 cartridge is not necessarily your most popular round, and it's not that cheap. I believe you're running out of $40 a box right now, and that's one of the lowest price I've seen if you find them available. So interesting cartridge, interesting design. I'm sure if you play video games or if you've seen an FNP90, that's always been an interesting round, and the way it chambers on the PDW. But I was able to secure a few boxes, and I will go to the range probably as soon as I can and test it out. But I just want to give this unboxing video on the Ruger 5.7. I like the texture on the grip. I'll see how it handles, how I'm able to manage it, but I'm looking forward to shooting it. I probably won't shoot it too much, considering it took me a while even to get ammunition, and considering the pandemic, so I'll just put a few rounds with it, maybe one box for now, just to get a sense and make sure the pistol is fine. If you enjoyed today's video, consider subscribing to the channel, spread the word, share the video, gives us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Hopefully stay safe, and talk to you soon.